Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we're going to make Malai Sondesh, which is a Bengali dessert. It's very tasty after a long day of fasting. You could have this as a dessert in your iftari. So let's begin on how to make this. So we're using 2.5 cups of paneer. If you want to know how to make homemade paneer, we've got a link of that video in the description. We're also using 1 cup of condensed milk, half a cup of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of ghee, and a teaspoon of cardamom powder, or you may call it aylaci powder. So now we're just going to mix all our ingredients together. That's how simple it is. After that, with a hand beater, we're just going to mix all those ingredients together. So it's like nice and smooth. We'll show you the consistency. So this is the consistency that we're looking for, nice and creamy. Next, on a tray covered with tinfoil, you're going to grease it with some ghee. Then you're going to place a stand in boiling water. You could do this on the stove or in the oven. We're going to show you how to do it without an oven. So just place a stand in boiling water, then place your tray over it and cook for 25 minutes. If you're doing it in the oven, cook at 180 degrees, also for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we checked with a toothpick to see if it was fully cooked. And it wasn't fully cooked because when we put our toothpick in, it didn't come out completely clean. So we cooked it for another 5 minutes, and after another 5 minutes, it came out completely clean. After it's fully cooked, we're going to leave it to cool down completely, and then we're going to get on making our Malai sauce. Now the Malai sauce is very easy. You're going to pour in milk, and then you're going to pour in condensed milk, and then you're going to bring them both to a boil and then leave it to completely cool down. Bring to room temperature, then put it in the fridge so it becomes a nice cool temperature. Now that our sundish has completely cooled down, we're taking it out of the tin foil and then we're going to cut it into chunks. We're doing it into diamond shapes. Now the best part is to pour your malai onto your sundish to make your malai sundish complete. It's a delicious creamy dessert which can be enjoyed as part of your iftar. If not, you can make it anytime you want. It's very easy to make with the step-by-step tutorial, and now we're just going to garnish it with a little bit of pistachios. You could garnish it with anything you like, or you could completely skip this step. This step is optional. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!